How was Highway 395's Volcanic Tableland Geology formed? Imagine standing on a vast, flat surface that looks like a giant stone playground. That's what the volcanic tableland along Highway 395 in California's Eastern Sierra feels like. Now, let's uncover how this incredible landscape came to be. About 760,000 to 767,000 years ago, a huge volcanic eruption took place from the Long Valley Caldera. This eruption was one of the largest in North America, releasing around 150 cubic miles of volcanic material. To give you an idea, that's more than the volume of Mount Shasta. The eruption blanketed the area with thick layers of ash and pumice, which flowed as hot pyroclastic flows across the Owens Valley. These flows were hundreds of feet thick and extremely hot when they settled. The intense heat caused the volcanic ash particles to weld together into a hard, erosion-resistant rock called welded tuff. This welded tuff now forms the surface of the volcanic tableland, creating a wide, flat plateau that stretches roughly 20 miles long and 14 miles wide. As the ash cooled, gases trapped inside escaped through vents, forming small cone-shaped hills called pimples on the surface. Over time, water and sediments filled in parts of the area, but the hard volcanic rock remained. The Owens River eventually carved through this tough rock, creating features like the Owens River Gorge near Highway 395. The volcanic plateau is known for its light-colored tuff, scattered shallow ravines, and unique formations like columnar joints. These are pillar-like cracks that form as the rock cools and contracts. The eruption that created the Bishop Tuff and the volcanic tableland was so massive that it released more volcanic material than the volume of Mount Shasta. The collapse of the magma chamber roof during this eruption formed the Long Valley Caldera, a large elliptical depression nearby. Over hundreds of thousands of years, water and sediments filled the caldera, eventually breaching the rim and giving rise to the Owens River. This river interacts with the volcanic landscape along Highway 395, shaping the scenery you see today. This geology is a defining feature of the Eastern Sierra region, contrasting beautifully with the towering Sierra, Nevada mountains to the west, and the White Mountains to the east. The volcanic tableland is also a cultural site, with Native American petroglyphs and popular spots for rock climbing and geological study. So, next time you drive along Highway 395, remember that this striking landscape was formed by a colossal volcanic eruption, cooled into a hard, flat plateau, and shaped further by erosion and river activity over hundreds of thousands of years. It's a fascinating story written in stone that highlights California's incredible natural history.